Hello everyone. Today's question of the day is a PassCat question based upon HCF LCM. So HCF is used to find out the highest common factor of a few numbers and LCM is used to find out the lowest common multiple of some numbers. I hope you are aware of the fact that HCF and LCM, they are only applicable for positive numbers. Okay. So the question here is 3 pieces of cakes of weight 4.5 pounds, 6.75 pounds and 7.25 respectively are to be divided into parts of equal weights. Further, each part must be as heavy as possible. If one such part is served to each guest, then what is the maximum number of guests that could be entertained? So we have 3 pieces of cakes 4.5 pounds, 6.75 pounds and 7.2 pounds. We have to divide all these cakes into some parts of equal weights, okay? And we have been given a clue that each part must be as heavy as possible. So what I'm trying to do is I will be dividing this 4.5 into some parts, this 6.75 into some parts and this 7.2 into some parts, so that all these parts that I'll get, they should be equal and as large as possible. So how is that possible? If I find out the highest common factor of these 3 numbers, then I'll be able to divide these 3 cakes into pieces of equal weights, okay? And those weights will be as high as possible. So I will find out the HCF of 4.5, 6.75, 7.2. Now these numbers are fractions, okay? So how to find out the HCF of a fraction? You can remember it like HCF of a fraction. It is given by, since we are finding out HCF, so we'll write down HCF of numerator, okay? So HCF of numerator upon, you will find out the LCM of denominator, okay? What if you are finding out the LCM of a fraction? For LCM of a fraction, you will find out the LCM of numerators, okay? And then you will divide it by HCF of denominators. So that is how you can remember these formulas. We are only interested in this, okay? HCF of a fraction. So let me write down 4.5 in form of a fraction. It will be 45 by 10, which will give us 9 by 2, okay? This is one of the fractions. Then we have 6.75. So it can be written as 6 units 3 by 4, which will give us 27 by 4, okay? This is one of the fractions. Last one is 7.2. So 72 upon 10, which gives us 36 by 5, okay? These are the 3 fractions. If I find out their HCF, I'll be getting HCF of numerator. So HCF of 9, 27 and 36 upon LCM of denominator. So LCM of 2, 4, 5. Here I'll get the HCF of these 3 numbers as 9. LCM of these 3 numbers will be 20, okay? So that means 9 by 20 will be the maximum weight of a piece. So now to find out the maximum number of guests that could be entertained, we'll find out the total weight of the cake, which will be 4.5 plus 6.75 plus 7.2, and we'll divide it by the weight of one piece, which will be 9 by 20, okay? So when you solve this, you'll be getting 41 as the answer, okay? So that means we can divide these 3 pieces of cakes into 41 pieces of maximum weight, and they all will be having weight 9 by 20, okay? 9 by 20 pounds. So 41 will be the correct answer over here. We do not have 41 in the options. Option D will be the correct answer. So this was an easy question. I hope the explanation was understood. Many of you would have stuck over here in HCF of a fraction. So please remember this. If you have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.